Less than P data end equals 240 data start equals 80 greater than. Hey everyone, let's talk about what's happening in the markets today and why it matters to you as an investor. There's a lot going on, so let's break it down. Less than P EP data end equals 770 data start equals 242 greater than. First off, global markets are seeing a boost after European leaders agreed to draft a Ukraine peace plan. That's bringing some optimism. But investors are still on edge, waiting to see if the U.S. will move forward with new tariffs. Wall Street opened higher today, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average ticking up 0.14% to 43,900.49, the S&P 500 gaining 0.23% to 5,968.33, and the Nasdaq climbing 0.4% to 18,923.36. But as the day progressed, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq reversed course, showing how uncertain the market still is. Less than P data end equals 1434 data start equals 772 greater than here at home. The Toronto Stock Exchange's S&P TSX Composite Index started the day up 0.5%, reaching 25,524.32. Investors are bracing for a flood of upcoming economic data that could shape market sentiment in the days ahead. One major concern is trade. The U.S. Commerce Secretary, Howard Lutnick, confirmed that tariffs on Canada and Mexico are set to kick in on Tuesday. However, President Trump still has the final say on whether the planned 25% tariffs will actually go into effect. Analysts are unsure if this is just another negotiating tactic or a real policy shift, but if it happens, it could slow down economic growth and push consumer prices higher. Less than PIP data end equals 1727 data start equals 1436 greater than. Looking at international markets, Europe is also having a strong session. The STOXX 600 is up 1.3%, with Britain's FTSE 100 rising 1.06%, Germany's DAX climbing 2.76%, and France's CAC 40 gaining 1.51%. Over in Asia, Japan's Nikkei closed 1.7% higher, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose 0.28%. Less than P data end equals 2204 data start equals 1,729 greater than. Now let's talk commodities. Oil prices are staying relatively stable after their first monthly decline since November. Brent crude is up 0.43% to $73.12 per barrel, while West Texas Intermediate, that is WTI, is sitting at $70.01 per barrel. Analysts are watching closely to see how tariffs could impact both demand and supply. Gold, often seen as a safe haven asset, is also climbing, with spot gold up 0.5% at $2,873.93 per ounce, while U.S. gold futures rose 1.3% to $2,878.50. Less than P data end equals 2519 data start equals 2,206 greater than. On the currency front, the Canadian dollar is slightly stronger against the U.S. dollar, trading between 69.12 and 69.44 U.S. cents. Over the past month, the loonie has gained 0.12% against the greenback. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar index fell 0.77% to 106.78, while the euro and British pound both strengthened. Less than P data end equals 2880 data start equals 2,521 greater than. In corporate news, there's a major shakeup in the retail sector. Japanese giant 7&I Holdings, which is a takeover target for Canada's alimentation Couche-Tard, is reportedly preparing for a leadership change. Their CEO is expected to step down, with director Stephen Dacus likely to take over. This could have big implications for the takeover talks. Less than P data end equals 3290 data start equals 2,882 greater than. On the economic side, we've got key data releases today, including manufacturing PMI numbers from China, Japan, and the Eurozone. And inflation in Europe slowed to 2.4% in February, increasing the chances of another rate cut from the European Central Bank. In Canada, the latest manufacturing PMI report showed a contraction for the first time in 6 months, signaling a more cautious outlook among businesses. Less than P data end equals 358. 2 data is last node equals data is only node equals data start equals 3,292 greater than Culkin. Bottom line, markets are moving, and trade concerns are still front and center. Keep an eye on tariffs, economic data, and corporate developments because they're all shaping the investing landscape right now. Let's see how things play out in the coming days. Stay tuned and happy investing! Stay subscribed for more videos.